Students, now discuss about importance of species diversity to the ecosystem. Ecosystem. What about the ecosystem? Forest, one ecosystem. Lake, one ecosystem. Freshwater river, one ecosystem. Ecosystem, that means this is defined as a living organisms communicates and interacts with the interaction with the another living organisms. Species or the living organisms shows interaction with other living organisms and also with the surrounding environment. That is the region, that is the locality, that is the place is called ecosystem. Okay, importance of species diversity to ecosystems. David Tellman's outdoor plants in his experiments. For his experiments, he selected outdoor plants, small regions at the outside that shows the different species individuals and their variations and the diversity. He found plants with more species, that is the plants with more species, much amount of the species, that is the region, selected region is with more species but fewer variations, variation is less. Separation between two species individuals is less in total biomass from previous years. Next, he concluded by his experiment that increasing diversity give to higher productivity. High amount of the biodiversity is there. High amount of the biodiversity is in that locality, that region, at the same time productivity is also increases. Next, he show stability of community. Stability of community depends on its species richness. Okay, stability of the community is with stable and it is also able to the species richness. Okay, it also gives to species richness where the species, much amount of the species, different types of the species are available and the community is also stable in that region. Next, Rivett-Popper hypothesis. What is about the Rivett-Popper hypothesis? That means it is proposed by ecologist Paul Ehrlich, ecologist, proposes the Rivett-Popper hypothesis. Students, what about this hypothesis? Suggest importance of the species. Paul Ehrlich by the Rivett-Popper hypothesis and gives suggestion about the importance of the species richness in maintenance of the ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem is maintained by the species richness. What about the role of the species richness in maintenance of the one ecosystem? Okay, students. Next, rivets. What about the rivets? Rivets are mechanical parts, mechanical instrument, mechanical device that attaches the two objects in a machine. Okay, rivets of an aeroplane. Rivets, mechanical device, head with the tail. Okay, and these are the rivets. Rivets helps in tighten the two objects, two parts. Rivets of an aeroplane were compared with the species in an ecosystem. Okay, student, these are the rivets or resembles the species of an ecosystem. Okay, rivets of an aeroplane, the parts of the aeroplane is tightened with the rivets. different parts present in the aeroplane. These are tighten, small parts of aeroplane tighten, attaches with the small rivets. These are the rivets are considered as compared with the species in an ecosystem by Paul Ehrlich in his rivet Pauper hypothesis. Removal of one by one rivets. One by one rivet is removes. Okay, species of an ecosystem. Removal of the rivets at this time it is equal to the removal of the species of an ecosystem. Next, of various parts can slowly damage the plane, but removal of the rivet from a part supporting the wing can result in a crash. Student, for example, forest is an ecosystem. Some amount of the trees are removed from the forest, and it is compulsory affect the another species individuals which are depend on the type of the tree. Okay, it causes decreasing the some amount of the species population. At the same time, this is also induces or increases the some amount of the species population. Okay, anything. Okay, removal of one by one rivets of various parts can slowly damage the plane. But removal of the rivet from a part supporting the wing can result in a crash. Okay, rivet that connects the wings to the part of the aeroplane. Students, that is the rivet is from a part of the supporting the wing. Okay, and that is leads to the result of the crash. The aeroplane will not be able to perform its flight. Okay, aeroplane without the wings, aeroplane does not perform its flight. Okay, so if a species present in an ecosystem are reduced at the same time, the ecosystem is with the many species, much amount of the species. These are the species or reduces from an ecosystem. The ecosystem will also be collapses, also be affected, like a rivets, removal of the rivets, the flights, the aeroplane not perform its flight and result in a crash. Like a rivets, removal of the species from an ecosystem, the ecosystem will be collapses. Some important species, critical species present in an ecosystem, the removal of the critical species from ecosystem, entire the community is also affected in an ecosystem. Student, it is the rivet Pauper hypothesis. It is proposed given by ecologist Paul Ehrlich.